Do you guys love salads? I know most of you loved it a lot. But the problem is that when you eat just a portion of healthy vegetables, they don't really do all that much to help you lose your weight. But if it turns out that when you combine your salad with grains, it will make all the difference in the world, you will see it and you will get definitely surprised. All you have to do is just combine a portion of your normal healthy vegetable with your meals, be it pasta or a sandwich, and you will be surprised to see what an incredible difference this can make on your health. We are sharing the names of two salads that are great fat burners yet tasty also. Number one is red cabbage salad, and the number two is white mushroom butter salad. Yeah, it sounds tasty, right? Try to add these two great fat burning salads in your meal and you will begin to see some quick results taking from. Don't forget to subscribe and share our videos.